A standing seam roof is basically a metal roof with raised vertical ribs spaced about every 6 inches, and it's one of the slickest ways to get a waterproof, modern look on your house. So, here's the deal. Standing seam roofs use long metal panels that snap or are crimped together along those ribs. You can get them in materials like steel, aluminum, copper, or even zinc, depending on how much you want to spend and what style you're going for. Steel is super tough and budget-friendly, aluminum resists rust and is lighter, copper looks awesome but costs more, and zinc ages with a cool patina. Installation isn't exactly a weekend DIY project because you need this special electric crimping tool to lock those panels tight and create a watertight seal. Some guys try manual crimpers, but that's way more work and doesn't look as clean or last as long. Plus, the panels have to be precisely aligned to avoid leaks or gaps, so it's smart to have a pro handle it unless you're pretty skilled with roofing. Also, make sure your roof deck is smooth and sturdy before starting because any bumps will show through the metal. And don't forget to factor in good underlayment and flashing around edges for extra protection against the weather. One of the biggest slip-ups with standing seam roofs is trying to install it without the right tools, especially that electric crimper. It's what makes the seams tight and waterproof, so skip that and you'll end up with leaks for sure. Another common mistake is using the wrong metal type for your climate. Like steel can corrode if not properly coated in salty or humid areas, so aluminum might be better there. Third is poor panel alignment during installation. If the ribs don't line up perfectly, water can sneak through, and fixing that later is a huge pain and expense. The fix? Always rent or buy the right crimping machine, choose metal that suits your weather conditions, and take time to get every panel lined up like a pro or hire someone who does. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle something as tricky as standing seam roofs without breaking your bank or your patience. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with people ready to get their projects done right, making sure everyone wins without the usual hassle or guesswork.